you gotta know this one. And that is it. About 4 chords and a great little opening line and theme throughout, a single note line. I really like this one for right hand control. So a lot of people tell me they play the chords, but they're not playing this part. That's the most challenging part for sure. It's not that difficult, but it's going to be great for your right hand because you're going to have to go from resting, strumming, rest, strum, and to find your happy place there. So hey, welcome back. Shane here from Guitar at Work. This is Neil Young's My, Hey Hey, Out of the Blue, and fantastic song. And I want to send you, as always, to patreon.com/guitaratwork. I've got 2 sheets for you here. 2 sheets, one with the actual song, the other with the details. That I'll be referring to that the entire time. Patreon.com/guitarwork. That does not have to be a lifelong commitment. This is video number 229. Tons of stuff up there for you, so join us. We talk about things. It's a great place to be. And I'll be using the fabulous BeatBuddy2. I got one here. They said it was fantastic. I'll be using a metronome setting on this because there was no drums in this song on the recording. So I will be using the metronome to keep us all honest. So you can use the BeatBuddy for that. I want to illustrate that. And thanks for coming back, guys, subscribing, thumbs up have meant the world here. Let's jump right in. A couple of ways to learn this guy. First, you're going to need your basic chord shape, which is A minor, piece of cake. There's a G here. I'm using this fingering for G, 3, 2, and pinky. I call that the big G. You can use your average G this way as well if you want. A minor, G. Here's an F major 7 is your cheating F. A lot of people love this. So here's your F. If you're having trouble with that, you stand up that first finger. So you get a high E string. You have a jazzier sound, so it's a lot easier than playing your basic F. And there's going to be a C in there later. And we all know that in an E minor. And that is it. The pictures of those on your detail sheet. And I'm going to look at the main riff. I'm looking at your detail sheet. The 0 on the second line here says figure 1. There's 2 figures. There's the first one, which is this. That's figure 1. Here's figure 2. It's quite the same, except the end. Right here. That guy there. So there's 2 distinct figures. Figure 1, figure 2. Figure 1 looks like this. I got an A minor. You'll see him bracketed. I've got the shape here. I'm going to play the open A string, and then a DU means down up. So that again, open A, and then down up. Now I'm going to have to get rid of the chord. Abandon the chord shape. I get 0 on the A string, 2 on the A string, 3 on the A string, and then the open D string. Okay, so here's what you have so far. A minor, down up, and then 0, 2, 3, 0 on the D, and then on the G chord, up, down, up. Let's do that again, A minor. Now you decide when to stop tape. That's enough. That's a bite-sized morsel right there. You want to stop tape probably, and okay. Okay, now as I mentioned from the outset, when I need detail, when I need to isolate certain notes, in this case the lead line, I rest what I'll call the heel of my hand right here on the pins, like that, and that means I know I have a reference point. Otherwise, I'm out in space here, I'm missing strings all the time. I still miss the odd one, but not nearly as much as I would. So I'm resting for the play the open A, and then off it comes for the down up on the A minor. And I'm trying to start that on the D string so I don't repeat that A string, and then bah, keeps the melody line distinct as bass. And off I come, freestyle strum. I gotta go back to my rest. 0, 2, 3, 0, up, down, up. And here's the final bit here. In the middle of figure 1, you get a 2 on the A string, open A, 3rd fret on the low E, open A. I buggered that last bit up, so now it says F major 7, you got a long F major 7 here. It goes up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now that's on your sheet, the exact strumming pattern. It's okay to stray from that, okay? He does. He has mild variation in there as well. But here's a figure 1 again. Bass, and down, up, down, up. F major 7 here. Up, down, down, up, down, up. Now, I gotta tell you, when you're staring at ups and downs on a piece of paper, it doesn't feel musical, right? Put on the recording or loop this part of our video together and try to get a feel for that rhythm and timing. There's nothing worse than staring, okay, up, down, down, up. It doesn't give you the timing or the rhythm. Here's figure 1 a couple times and see if you can play along. 3, 4, going. Up, down, up. Up, down, down, up, down, up. And there's no shame in looking at that right hand because you're having to isolate certain strings, okay? You're gonna look at that right hand to get you going. Figure 1, last time. 3, 4. F major 7, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now figure 2 starts the same way, guys. Here's your A minor again. Here's the walk up, 0, 2, 3, 0, up, down. Now here we go. There's a little hammer, a little H written over top of a note there with a slur indicator. It's going to start at 0 and then hammer 0 to 2. Again, 0, and then pick the 0 again and quickly slam that second finger on. That's called a hammer. If you're getting a weak sound there, you just got to be more sure-footed and keep the pressure on. And off he comes. And then to the 3 on the A, open D again, and then open A. Well, that's a mouthful. I'm going to top again a figure 2. Here's A minor. This is the same as figure 1. Up, down, and there's no shame in practicing the lead line without the chords in there. Just, you might have this. Get that in your brain. Some people do it that way. Some people like to put the chords in straight away. So you be the judge. Maybe try it both ways. Figure 1 to figure 2 back to back, okay? A couple of times. Here's the top. 3, 4. Figure 2. Okay, good stuff. So you want to shut tape there, stop tape there. You should be able to do that. We'll get to the basic play. Let's do a slow version first, couple of verses maybe of the slow version, and then go right into the full speed one. And again, the BeatBuddy2 from Singular Sound is here. It is just so fantastic, guys. What an upgrade. It's just miraculous. I've got it plugged into the Aeros Looper there, and a big super switch you can program to do many, many things. Now it comes jammed full of beats, be it, I can't tell you how many styles. Dozens of different styles, hundreds of different beats. It's incredible, and you can always add to that through the SD card on their website. It's fantastic. So I dialed up the metronome, and it's at 126 beats a minute, this song. So I'm going to do this. Start her up. There's the metronome. Here's full speed. I'll slow it down a second. Here it is again. Figure 2. That's it. So for the play along, let's go. For the play along, I can take 20 points up. I've got 106. Tempo down to 106. And let's do a verse and a chorus. Or sorry, 2 verses on that. I don't have 6 beats a minute, just a matter of dialing that up. And if I get it going, go grab those sheets, patreon.com/guitaratwork. And if you head to the Singular Sound website, and there's links down below to talk about your BeatBuddy. And there's several BeatBuddies out there that you can grab depending on your budget and needs. And I highly recommend you go there. If you use the promo code GAW10, you get 10% off and help support the channel. Much appreciated. And see a visual metronome one. It's going 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you cannot play the main riff, if you just want to play the chords, that's totally fine until you get the main riff. If you're during this part, figure 1 and figure 2, you would just play A minor, boom, ba da da G, da da da, F major 7, 2 bars of F major 7, A minor, figure 2, boom, ba 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 G, da 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 da, F major 7. So if you just want to play the chorus, A minor, G, double F major 7, every time you see figure 1 and figure 2. If you're around a campfire, somebody else is playing the main riff, that's fine. You just play the chords. So here, first 2 verses, and here we go, guys. Jump in, figure 1, figure 2. This is your slow play along. Grab those sheets, patreon.com/guitarwork. Here we go. What? You know what? 2, 3, figure 1. Figure 2. goes again. Repeat. Figure 2. First verse, A minor, straight chords, G, there's an F major 7, A, straight strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, G, rock and roll, is F major 7 here to stay, C coming, E minor, better to burn out, A minor, then to fade, F major 7, down, down, up, down, A minor, G, my, F major 7 twice, hey, hey. Figure 1 now, 3, 4. Second verse, easy strum, A minor, down, 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 up, G, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Second line, A minor, they give you this, F major 7, but you pay for that. C, E minor, once you're gone. A minor, F major 7, come back. A minor, G, out of the blue. F major 7, and into the black. Yeah, now you'd have figure 1 and figure 2 going there, and I regret not telling you. Strumming pattern when you're just playing under the singer is, I've written it down, it could be a couple of things, at least a couple. I'm going down, chicka, 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 down, chicka, chick. That's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And if you feel, if there's a hole in the vocal, you want to fill it up with a little flourish in there, and feel free to do that. Just the golden rule, just don't step on that singer. Hey, so that's at 106 beats a minute. Let's go back to 126. We'll do the whole thing. And you should probably have been able to play it slow. If you can't play it at that slow speed, there's probably no point in playing it at the fast speed, except if you just want to play the chords, skip the fancy parts just to keep rolling. But I'll get this going and go grab those sheets. And thanks, guys. This has been a lot of fun. And we're looking at 126. Figure 1, figure 2, then that repeats, then it's the vocal in. So 1, 2, 3, go! Feels fast. A minor. Repeat, A minor. A minor, my, hey, hey. A minor, G, rock and roll. F major 7 is here to stay. Just C coming. E minor, better to burn out. A minor, F major 7 to fade away. A minor, G, my, F major 7, hey, hey. Figure 1 coming. Second verse, here we go, A minor. Out of the blue, F major 7, into the black. A minor, G, give you this, F majors, you pay for that. C, E minor, once you're gone, A minor, F majors and come back. A minor, G, blue, F major, into the black. Figure 1, figure 2, guys, A minor. Figure 2. C, harmonica solo, A minor, F major 7. Now figure 1. Next verse, King is gone, A minor. G, King is gone, but his F forgotten. A minor, G. This is the story of F major 7, Johnny Ride. C, E minor, better to burn out. A minor, then it is to rise. A, G, king is gone, but is not forgotten. Figure 1, here we go. A minor, my, hey, hey, my, A minor, G, rock and roll, F major 7 can never die. C, E minor, more of the picture. A minor, then meets the eye. A minor, G, my. Now all the way home, A minor. Harmonica, F major 7, C, at the bottom there. There's your harmonica. We're fading. I'll stop for that. We're fading, we're fading, we're fading. Hey, that was the full Steve play-along. I hope you did well with that. Again, the whole point of play-alongs is recovery skills, right? So maybe you're not ready to play the main lead line, this part here. You can still play the chords, right? You can still play those chords. Don't wait till it's perfect. So jump in, play the chords first while you're pecking away at the lead line, okay? That's you've learned the song that way at least, right? Very, very cool, guys. So thanks for coming back. Your thumbs up have meant the world here. And I should mention tuning. I know people are going to ask me in the comments. They're going to tell me, Neil Young, we did this in standard tuning. You don't have to change a thing. Neil Young tunes his guitar down a full step, which is very difficult in a group situation like this. And it turns so many people off. It's just to accommodate his voice. That's all it is. So if you have a voice like his, you could try doing that. If not, just play it in standard tuning. Most people do, okay? And everything is fine. So hey, thanks for coming back, guys. Head to patreon.com/guitar@work. Grab those sheets and many, many more. This is video number 229. Grab your BeatBuddy2. This is the most amazing thing. There's some Black Friday specials and all that good stuff. Promo code GAW10. And thanks for coming back. We'll see you again soon. Hey, wow. Yeah.